your name and what is your age?
My name is Mel Grace Castro. I'm 22 years old.
Nice to meet you, Mel Grace. Okay. My question is, does Filipino people discriminate to those women who's dating with foreigners?
For me, or for my opinion, I will not discriminate those Filipino women who have dated a foreigner because it's their choice. In, and even though na we have the mindset, Filipino mindset that another Filipino women are kanang nakaahon sa kahirapan mo. Mostly of the thought of a Filipino, but for me, it's not. I think they love each other, so that's they settled for marriage or boyfriend or girlfriend.
Okay. So if you're dating a foreigner, for example, would it bother you of those people's comments?
For me, yes, it's very. It can affect your confidence and also your social activities because there are a lot of gossip that you heard from from your side, from your most especially from your neighbors. There are a lot to talk to you. There are a lot of chicas about your life na even it's not true. It's fake news, but still the find and just to down just to put yourself down without not
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's very true. Why do you think men cheat?
mm, I think because they out of love or just fun. They cheated before.
Mm,
They cheated before, so they want to kanang they want other girl broken like what they feel.
they was cheated before, so maybe they will take that as revenge.
Revenge. Some just like what happened to me.
Oh,
Fun. I think he is we're okay. I think we're nothing.
for you, there's no problem.
Yeah,
There's
for
no
the problem.
conflict.
Yeah.
So, but then,
And until one time oh my god.
sorry, but then,
Until one time that I know that he just used me. Parang, we're together for 7 years and then 7 months until I know that he have aside from me he had a girlfriend. And
wow.
then it's long for 1 month I think. And then and that reason kana and that reason I ay my god. And that reason nakaingon ko sa akong self that I am not perfect. I am not enough.
Oh, that's not nice.
Parang, but at least we're okay.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry to hear that. But, okay. Why do you think women cheat?
Women. Mm, for me, from what I see in our community, it's because we are practical because of money. Yes. Kada,
Okay. So, what is your thought about cheating?
oh,
What is your
I hate
opinion?
cheating.
You hate cheating.
Yes, because it's so can load it can very it can ano ba? Parang mo down gid mo for
Yeah, it
kuan.
will down.
Your
It really makes us, think about why are we not worthy. We downing ourselves, to feel pity ourselves. That is not really good. It causes us mental problem.
mental.
Yeah.
Guwape.
Yes. Okay. What is your biggest insecurity?
Because insecurity, my attitude and or deliberate things I social. So, makipaghalubilo.
Social intellect. Why?
Because I talk, I, I will talk to people who I know, but with those people that I'm not
Yeah.
comfortable with, I don't much, makipag,
You don't want to socialize those people that you don't know. For you, it's a stranger. So how can you make friends if you if you
If they talk to me first, then I will talk to them. If they initiate to talk to me, then I will too.
okay,
If they are the one who first know me,
okay, so that's your insecurity.
I want to socialize with that. Just
You
that
want to socialize, but you
I'm
can't.
shy.
Shy. Okay. If you have a long distance relationship, would you consider him to support you financially?
No.
Why?
If we are gonna boyfriend and girlfriend or we are just in a relationship, no, because I'm not his responsibilities, man. We are just boyfriend. We're not married. If ever we are married, so yes, it is responsibility to have financially support me. But if we're just in relationship without married, no, it's a big no for me because I don't want to don't want to have a big utang na loob.
You don't want to have like that. You don't want to be a burden for him.
I don't want to because I know in their family he have to support them.
See, that's really nice of you. If you're in a relationship or you're married, doesn't matter if it's foreigner or Filipino, would you want to build your own house or you just want renting?
Build my own dream house.
Why?
Because if you are renting, you too much spending money. Instead of building your house, it's just a one way
One big,
one
one big,
one big house, and then also support na how to shelter your own family without thinking that you need to pay that monthly or yearly. It depends to what you kanang assign na sa
what is in the transaction list? Okay, so you want your own house. Why do most of Filipinos can't save money for rainy day?
Fine. Because we Filipino love to eat. So sometimes we forget that we need to save money for rainy days and for some emergency purposes we can save it. We love to eat and that's our habit.
Okay, so do you think it is a irresponsible attitude or just a culture here in the Philippines?
I think it's just an habit. It's because if we say culture, some of the Filipinos have a savings for their own, but some of them it's nothing.
Nothing. Just to spend it for today. I don't think tomorrow. Just for to live for today.
We live for today, not for tomorrow.
Okay. Why do you think Filipina break up with their foreigner boyfriend or husband? Why do you think they break up? Even though they are in a relationship for a long year. What do you think is the main reason?
I think it's
Or some
about
factors.
the family itself. The family of the foreigner didn't like the Filipino woman, or they just or the Filipino woman just to get some money for the foreigner. I think that's
Yes, that's the main reason, right? Well, a lot of relationships is always ended because of money
money.
issues. That's main reason also. There are a lot of reasons to be like that. Do you think foreigners like independent women?
Yes, they
Really?
like independent women. For
Why?
me, I think because they can do household chores, they can do, and then they can live their own. Like like they are.
Mm.
They foreigner, they at the age of 18 they are independent. They are independent. They buy their needs. They work.
It's like they provide their needs on
Right.
their own. Yeah. They're not relying on their parents. Okay. Do you think it's foreigners' obligation to support the Filipino family?
No,
Why? Why not?
because we have lot of responsibilities to do, and the foreigner doesn't have any responsibilities to the Filipinos. Even though they are a family, of course, the Filipino women must be work to support, to sustain the need of their family, not just to rely on the foreigner.
So if, for example, if you are married with a foreigner, would you like him to support your family or help your family?
And I think if they needed needed na jud,
If
yes,
they really
but
need it.
if I can if I can also I can support my family, then why not? I will support my family, not relying on the foreigner.
Oh, wow. Very nice. That's very nice. I like that. Which one would you prefer to be with? A rich man or a poor man?
To the man who I love, I charge. To the man who love me, not minding if they are rich or they are poor, as long as we love each other and we will strive to pursue our dream. To be, for example, we will work hard to just to pursue our dream, and then together we will fight that dream.
Oh, wow. So the status and
Doesn't matter.
Wow, she's very nice. Very nice. Okay. Can you please give me or describe me your characteristics and what kind of person are you?
I'm a shy type of girl, and then I'm not. I'm. I want to be independent. I want to. I don't want to rely to my father, but my father doesn't want me to be independent.
Ah, because you're his princess. Well, every father has
No,
princess.
I have a sister too, but my father doesn't want to. He always says that if we were work, then work. No school. We can't go to school. Then if we work, and then we will go. Didn't mo.
I see. So he wants you to be dependent on him, but you want to be independent. You want to stand on your own.
Yes. I'm not, not totally independent na I will go far away from my
No,
father.
no.
But
I mean independent for yourself. That proven yourself that I can stand
I
by
can
my
stand,
own.
I can work, I can provide them. I can help him to support I can help him to support my sisters, mga sa school,
Yeah.
their projects, and then their daily needs, but my father was good. I want.
Okay, so you really have a loving father.
Yes.
Okay.
I
Thank
also
you.
caring.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for chatting me and thank you for being candid to the candid Filipina. Thank you guys. Bye.